This is the continuation of our last video where we have studied two kinds of water demand, that is domestic water demand and the industrial and commercial water demand. In this video, let us study about fire demand. So, what is this fire demand? Here, fire generally breaks in a thickly populated localities and industrial areas, okay, and causes serious damages of the properties, and sometimes lives of the peoples are lost, okay. Fire may take place due to the faulty electrical wires or by shortening of the circuit and fire catching materials, explosions, and bad intentions of criminal people or any other unforeseen mishappenings, okay. If suppose if you are not properly controlled and extinguished in a minimum possible time, they lead to a serious damages and may burn the cities. So in all the big cities is having a full fire fighting squads, okay, as the during the fire breakdowns large quantity of water is required for throwing it over the fire to extinguish. So it therefore provision is made in water to work supply sufficient quantity of water or to keep or the reservoirs in a water mains for this purpose only. In these cities fire hydrants are provided on the water mains, okay. And the next one is the demand for public use. Here the quantity of water required for public utility purpose, such as for their washing, sprinkling of roads, cleaning of sewers, and watering of a public parks, gardening, and public fountains, etc., so comes under this category, okay. To meet the water demands for public use, the provisions of 5% of the total consumption is made, okay, while designing the water works for the city. Here you can see in this table the requirement of water for a public purpose shall be given in this table, like public parks, that is 1.4 liters per meter square per day, like street washing 1.0 to 1.5, like sewer cleaning 4.5 liters, like that. And the next one is the compensate losses demand. Here all the water which goes in the distribution pipes that does not reach the consumers, so some portion of this is wasted in the pipelines due to the defective of that pipe joints or cracked or broken pipes or faulty valves and fittings. And sometimes what happens, so consumers keeps open their taps or public taps even when they are not in a use, and allow the water continuous wastage of water will be there, and in some way some quantity of water is lost due to the unauthorized and illegal connections, okay. So while estimating the total requirement of water of a town, we need to take the allowance for these losses, and wastage should be taken as generally 15% of allowance is taken for total quantity of water is made to compensate for these losses, so theft and wastages of water. Hope you guys understand the concepts, so please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more such a videos. Thank you.